Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carm. Today I will be sharing with you my pasta and peas dish. So in a skillet, heat some olive oil and add a chopped onion. Cook that until it's softened. If you want some heat, add some chili flakes. Season the onions with some salt and pepper. Meanwhile, in a pot, boil some water for the pasta. So to the skillet, I'm going to add a can of peas, and you just heat that through. So just turn the temperature down to low heat until the pasta is done. So the type of pasta generally used for this type of dish is like the small shell-shaped pasta, or the small tubes, or tubettini, anything that is similar in size or comparable in size with the peas. So to the boiling water, add the pasta. Now you'll also want to reserve 1 cup of that pasta water for later. Once the pasta has cooked, drain it and just add it to the skillet with the peas. Combine, and don't forget to add that pasta water, you might need that. And that's it. That was simple, that was quick, and I think you'll agree with me, it's very delicious. So thanks for spending time with me, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you come back for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.